we could not deny the fact that home decoration is essential in life. Home decor doesn't just cater to the aesthetic beauty, but it also improves the functionality. Decorating shouldn't be overlooked. And we also know that different owners have distinct needs, personalities, and lifestyles, so home decoration might vary as well. And so, decorating one's home should be based on the preferences of the homeowners in order to reap the benefits that it could offer. Items you could use to decorate your home or office include wooden furniture and wooden decorative pieces. These items bring the feeling of nature to your home or office and also serve useful functions if prepared intentionally. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Decorating homes could assist conceal design flaws and customize homes to fit the needs and lifestyles of the owner. It could also be possible to provide interior spaces the perfect layout. There could be numbers of elements of design and decoration which aid the process, ranging from accessories such as rugs to paint colors, throw pillows, furniture and lighting. You can consider hiring a professional interior designer for a complete transformation of your home. Or DIYs can also be considered. Home decoration also helps in keeping the rooms organized and clean, and so alleviating depression and stress which usually result from having clutter. You can easily create a desired tone and mood within the home. Like, for instance, using the color blue in your bathroom might create an environment which is both relaxing and calm. And there could be various design styles which could be implemented once decorating homes to achieve a certain feel and look. You might even incorporate a mix of styles considering the likes and dislikes of every family member. This could be the key to a successful project which is loved and accepted by all. You need to plan before you begin your home decor venture. You can look for your design inspiration by browsing the internet or looking at magazines. Once you have the design in mind, consider the different components of the project. The process of planning is critical to accomplishing your goals. So, better determine the concept or theme first, as it would influence other factors during the entire process. Look around your place and choose the ones that you can still use for decoration. You might find items that could add up to your materials as you decorate your home. The color you choose is also important. You must consider colors that would fit the design and style of your place, and of course the color that you like the most. It should have an impact on both the ambience and the mood. Pay attention to the effects of the different hues and shades, and color must also reflect the overall concept of your home decor. DIYs are excellent options too. You might consider some DIYs items that will also complement the design of your home. You will not just incorporate your taste, but you can also save a lot. You can also add sun catcher to bring the power of sunlight in the house and keep the darkness away. It also looks great if you know how to choose the right one. For those with a tight budget, spend money on furniture. Purchase high-quality furniture knowing that it would last for years. And these pieces of furniture could definitely be a great addition to the overall look of your place. The shape and size of the space needed must also be considered. Shopping for second-hand items can be a wise decision. In some cases, when it comes to furniture or other home decor items, second-hand items offer the quality that you might be looking for. These are just some of the tips that might help you if you plan on decorating your home. Don't think that decorating a home is a hard task. Instead, think of it as an exciting job, because at the end of the day it would really provide you such an accomplished feeling. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.